Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to type and edit text in Dochub. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to dochub.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and sign into your account if you haven't already. This will give you access to all of Dochub's document editing features and ensure your work is saved automatically. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on Dochub's main dashboard screen. This is your central hub where you can access all your documents and create new ones. To begin typing and editing text in Dochub, look over to the left-hand menu and click on the New Document button. This will initiate the process of creating a new document that you can work with. Once you click this, you'll be prompted to add the file you wish to complete. Go ahead and click on Select File, and a File Explorer window will appear on your screen. From here, simply locate the worksheet or document you want to edit. Click on it to select it, and then click the Open button. This uploads your chosen file into Dochub's system. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the upload process finishes. Depending on the size of your file, this might take just a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, look towards the bottom part of the window and click on Create Document. This finalizes the upload and opens your file in Dochub's editor, where you can start making changes. You'll now be on the document editor page, which is where all the magic happens. Look at the left side of your screen and you'll see all the editing tools available for you to use. These tools allow you to type, edit, annotate, and modify your document in various ways. For typing and editing text specifically, click on the text option. This activates the text editing features you'll need. Once you've clicked on the text option, direct your attention to the top part of your screen. You'll see additional tools appear in the toolbar, giving you more control over how you interact with your document. Among these tools, you'll find the Edit Text button. Click on it to enable the text editor mode. This is essential because it switches Dochub into a mode where you can directly modify the text content of your document. With the text editor now enabled, simply click on the line of text that you wish to edit. Once you click on it, you'll notice your cursor change into an editor cursor, indicating that the text is now ready for modification. From this point, you can freely edit the selected line, typing in new content, deleting existing words, or making any adjustments you need. The interface is intuitive and works similarly to any standard text editor, so you can make changes quickly and efficiently. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to type and edit text in Dochub, making it easy to modify documents directly in your browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.